How to change the system font style to default SamsungOne, Roboto or Gothic Bold on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon, and from the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on display. Next, we go down and tap on font size and style. Now from here, tap on font style. Next, you can choose default. You can also select SamsungOne if you like that style. Otherwise, you can choose Gothic Bold, Roboto, or you can even download fonts for additional font type. So select one of the available options, then tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.